Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to easily pan and move around Google Maps website. Open your favorite browser. Go to google.com/maps. Wait for the map to load completely. Panning means moving or shifting the map view up, down, left or right without zooming in or out. To pan the map, click and hold your left mouse button on the map. While holding the button, drag the map in the direction you want to move. Drag left to move the map view to the right. Drag right to move the map view to the left. Drag down to move up on the map. Drag up to move down on the map. Release the mouse button when you are done. This is how you can easily pan and move around Google Maps website. Thank you for watching.